Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a new account on Clash Royale. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the Clash Royale game on your device and then wait until it is fully loaded. Once the game is done loading, you will be taken into the battle page, which is the home screen by default. Now, in order to create a new account, first you will need to delete the account that you currently have. So tap on the menu icon at the top right corner underneath Gems, and then from this pop-up tap on Settings. From the Settings page, tap on More Settings, and then you will find an option to delete your account. Simply tap on Delete My Account, and then this will take you to another page where you will be able to delete your personal account. Simply tap on Delete My Data, and then you will be asked one final time whether you want to delete your game data. After the confirmation that you provide, your account will be deleted. And now when you open up the game once again, you will start the game from the very beginning. And after you complete the tutorial, you can simply tap on the menu icon and then tap on Supercell ID. From there, you can tap on the Register Now button to open up a new account for Clash Royale and use this account to play the game and start a new one. Just tap on the Continue button and then you will have to enter your email address to register for a new account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to make a new account on Clash Royale. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.